Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Peter, your virtual Fiery XF assistant, and in today's video I would like to show you how you can easily create a printer environment for backup or support purposes in Fiery XF. So let's get started. To create a printer environment in Fiery XF, open Fiery Server Manager out of Fiery Command Workstation by selecting the three dots right next to your server name. Then click on Fiery Server Manager. This will open the server configuration. In the Printer tab, right-click on the desired printer you want to save an environment for and click on Save as Environment. This will create a single XF environment file called XFE that you can save in a safe space. For demo purposes, we are saving straight to the desktop. Now, click on Save to create the environment. The file is now available and can be stored safely, restored on a different system, or shared with our support team if requested. The printer environment includes all workflows and media of this particular printer, together with used calibrations and media profiles. And this is how you can easily create a printer environment in Fiery XF. Thanks for watching.